How to install 5-light LNC wooden drum chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Thread screws through gasket, the wooden supports and the flat iron frames. Then secure with nuts. Attach a quick link to the flat iron frames with the loop rods. Pass the fixture wires through the chosen stems. Then screw stems onto the arms assembly. Slip fixture loop over fixture wires and then thread it onto the top of stem. Adjust the arms to the proper positions. Attach a quick link to the fixture loop with the loop rods. Attach a quick link to the chain and the loop on the top of fixture. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.